everybody. Happy New Year. We made it through Christmas and the New Year, and here we are, second week of January, and you know what that means. It's prototype season here at Champion Homes. It's where we start messing around with things, see what we can do differently, and love your guys' feedback. Here we go. First thing of the year, we've got a new outside color. More of a sage looking green, and we think this is going to be a big hit. By the way, if you're seeing this morning, I am heading to Louisville tomorrow for the Louisville Home Show, and I'll be broadcasting live from there. So hope to get some feedback from you guys. You'll be able to see all the new, latest and greatest stuff coming from Champion Homes. Here we have some black lineals. Those have been around for the last year or so, and you can also black out your soffit up there for a very minimal cost. I think 194 bucks. Changes the trim color on the outside. This is a prototype, so no name for it yet. 16 by 76, one of the largest, well, it is the largest single wide size that we make. And you can see this one's gonna be cool because we got some good stuff out here, right? A little transom window there, a hallway window there, and way down there, a big fat transom window. So that means there's something good when we get there. So let's go inside and check it out. Man, I really missed you guys. Of course, I'm in Indiana, so it's been a whirlwind of emotions and weather here. And so just been hanging out and waiting for a good break in the weather. All right, here we go. Wide open, loving the black and white color palette here. Wide open, coming into the living room. And I need your guys' feedback. If you don't like it, tell me. If you do like it, tell me. If there's something different you'd like to see, tell me. I can already tell you, when I walk in, I would have taken those cabinets to the ceiling. We've got some things going on. Let's talk colors first, okay? Casper Cashmere sticking around for next year. We haven't really seen too many color options change as far as this goes, the build. Just some stuff happening on the outside. We'll know more starting tomorrow. All right, we've got natural oak on the floor, white on the cabinets. Lysola's here for another round, another year. This black, and if you were here to see, this has some texture to it. So love that countertop. And then for the accent panels, this cool cedar is still available this year. And I'm happy to see that because it pairs nicely with the black and white. New for 2026, we've changed out our mirrors. They've got a nice, there's no mirrors in the bathroom, so here I am. Hi. They've got a nice surrounding around them this year. If I go from the side, you can see it. Usually, in the past, they were all flat, right? Now they have some depth to them. So what do we got going on? Front door, 9-light residential. That's the lesser amount. If you want to change a front door, you can also do a Craftsman door, but this one's just a couple of $100 to change. And a lot of people like the 9 panels to get some natural light coming through. And then this prototype is going to have an included island. Whenever the sink's in there, we're not going to charge it because you need a sink. So here's the first cool thing. Quite the big pantry. What do you guys think? And you don't see pantries like this in a single wide. This is the largest one I've ever seen. I know tomorrow we're going to see another one at the show, but not this large. So a walk-in pantry, and then you've got a little coffee bar here, some more prep space. They've switched up the countertop colors. I love that. And then they've done staggered cabinets. That's another option. Always, always, always make sure, and I know you guys tell me, well, I'm too short to reach it. You never know. You want to put something up above the refrigerator. It comes standard with nothing, a shelf, it comes with a shelf, but change that to a cabinet because you will love to have that extra storage space when you obtain a new kitchen appliance that you don't know where to put it. You'd be like, oh yeah, she was right. Doubled up the windows. I always think that's a great option. Even if there's one down there, move them together and center them. It's a nice focal point for you. Look, I'm turned around. I haven't done a video in so long. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Here's the back door. Oh, this is interesting. The back door, they kept solid. That's a standard door compared to the 9-light. Okay. Washer dryer, so you're gonna walk in, washer and dryer is gonna be right here. Here's another thing you wanna add, a shelf, 47 bucks. You want somewhere to put your laundry soap, unless you're gonna build your own. A lot of people wanna be DIYers and do it themselves. Love this. They put a window in the hallway. Let me take a step back. Just look how much natural light. It just changes everything. If there was no window there, this would be a lot darker. And then coming into the primary bedroom, good size, very good size primary bedroom. And then we're always gonna have a 46 by 61, help you get out of there if you ever need to, and also lets lots of natural light into the room. And then, very impressive, another walk-in closet. So, storage. You know that Champion is always on top of things when it comes to storage. And when I walked into this bathroom, super impressed, okay? Freestanding tub. There's one other floor plan where you can do that in. Or you could do a deck tub here, I'm sure, with a little bit of modifications. And look at here, a 16 by 60 transom that I usually only see in the bedroom. This is the first time I've seen it in a bathroom. Love it. Love the natural light. I can imagine in a bath, you've got a tray in front of you, a book. Oh, beautiful, candles. One of the nicer vanities, bank of drawers with some extra storage space down here, 2 sinks, those mirrors will go there, and walk-in shower. Same for this year. We've also got some more storage behind the door in a linen cabinet. All right, heading back to the other end of the home, and I've got a tiptoe because now we're in snow boot season, ladies, and it's really kind of slick. All right, I can see it from here. All the natural light. They've added another window in this hallway. Yay! Great job there. Here's bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2. Oh, it's got to go back. Okay, there we go. Closet. Typically, bed 2 and bed 3 is going to be the same size, just going to be shaped a little differently. Yep. Same closet. Yes. And then finally, bath number 2. So as you can see, we've been working hard, trying out new things, and we've got a lot of cool stuff coming. Make sure to dial into me as I put up the Louisville. Oh, there you go. Hey, everybody. As I put up the Louisville videos. And don't forget, I'm the mobile home mama. I'm also the retail sales manager here at the retail lot in Topeka. So you can buy direct from the factory. Give me a call, set up an appointment. I'll put you in a very nice hotel. You can come visit. I'll fill you full of information and guide you down the right path for you to have a new Champion home on your lot. Thanks for watching. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.